Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update. And we are looking at Solana making some nice good movements right now. Just a small relief in my opinion. There's nothing much going on in here, and we might expect Solana to actually go to one price level, and I'm going to tell you that one very quickly. But first of all, let me actually remove some of these drawings out of the way, and there we go. Okay, all right, so here we are. There are good chances that you can expect Solana to go back to nearly $35.29 in the next coming 2-3 days and get rejected at this price. And once it gets rejected at that price, we look for a push to the downside to nearly $26. So that's what the scenario I do look at. Because remember guys, you came down like this, you made a bear flag, and this is just the flag resistance that you might go up and get rejected to before you don't continue to move to the downside. So that's pretty much it for this comment on Solana right now. It's just a very quick one. The scenario is still to the downside right now, and that's going to be $24 is still pending for that bear flag, but there are good chances you still go back up for $35 before going down. And the best scenario will be that you break completely out of here. Now there could be scenarios where you can actually even make this right shoulder and make the left shoulder, the head here, and the right shoulder being an inverted end shoulder. You break it out and then you go back up to $45. But if that happens, we're going to see. It depends if that really happens. But right now, this is a bear flag. Just a small pushback is expected, and then boom, from there go back to the main technical target. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.